Solving for an unknown with adding problems or adding equations, you need to just show your work this way. If it's adding m plus 5 equals 17, you just need to do the opposite function. So to show your work, you would take m minus 5 from that side, and that gets m by itself. And then you have to do the exact same thing to the other side, just like the balance. So m equals 12. So you take 17 minus 5. For number 2, you would take, it's x plus 8. You need to get rid of that plus 8. Get rid of this part here. So you'd have to subtract 8 from that side, and that would become 0. So they get x by itself. And then you have to subtract 8 from this side, and x equals 4. For this problem, you take 9 equals c plus 3. Don't get confused because the whole number's on one side of it. You would take this. You need to get rid of that plus 3. So you'd subtract 3. Subtract 3 from each side. Those would cancel out. C equals 6. For number 4, again, trying to get rid of that plus 8 and to get n by itself. It's called isolating the variable. You subtract 8 from that side, subtract 8 from that side. That becomes 0. So the n is by itself, and that's 12. And even though there's fractions in there, it doesn't change anything. Same process. You need to get rid of that plus 1/4. So I'm going to subtract 1/4 from this side. Then I'm going to subtract 1/4 from this side. That's not bad. So those cancel out. X equals, and then 3/4 minus 1/4 is just 2/4. 2/4. You can simplify it to x equals 1/2. Make sure you have this written down and hit done, because this is part of your assignment today.